Is it good or no good?
It's good.
Is it good or no good?
It's very good.
Okay, bro. Okay. On today's episode, we're gonna be doing a new video series. I got my wife a 2007 GMC Yukon XL Denali. It's more for the baby mover, people mover kind of thing, soccer mom vehicle. It has a 6.2 in it. We're gonna do some mods to it, modifications, fab work, stuff like that. On our left side here, we got LED lights, LED conversion lights, and fog lights for the truck. We have resistors and bolts for the suspension conversion kit that I bought for the truck. These are shock extenders that I got because we're gonna lift the vehicle 2 inches. So that's these two and the bolts that comes in the kit. The spacers for the rear shock springs. This is 2 inch. New air filter for the vehicle. Cheapest Amazon slotted rotors and brake pads that I could get. So that's for all 4 wheels. Suspension setup. The vehicle comes standard with Autoride on the rear and self-leveling suspension shocks in the front. So I'm going to rip all that out, throw it in the garbage. I'm going to put standard suspension in the front and rear with 2 inch spacers for the front and the blocks at the rear. And then I'm going to make my own air ride from ReadyLift. So I got the bags for the rear. Got a compressor laying around because this is going to be my 3rd vehicle doing air ride conversion kit too. And we're still waiting on mail because we have more parts coming. We're gonna do the wireless air from ReadyLift and stuff. I really like that system and the airbags, and we're gonna redo everything, all the wiring. So that's gonna be a long process. So it's gonna be a long series. We're gonna be doing body work to the vehicle and a lot more other stuff. So join us for our little adventure on this series. We'll see how it goes, if it's gonna turn out good or not. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and tell me what I'm doing wrong or what I'm doing right. Thank you.